What's up, GMS? This is
Mr. Weldy?
he is doing a bicycle repair shop thingamajig. Is that right?
That's correct.
Do you mind if I ask you a couple questions?
Yeah, go for it.
What is the purpose of this project?
Well, a lot of school systems had decided to get rid of their shop programs a little while ago, and there's kind of a reemergence of that where we're going back into working with your hands. The high school's coming up with some new ideas with manufacturing classes, so this is kind of an introduction to that, especially since the area is so heavily focused on manufacturing jobs. So this is kind of, an introduction to working with tools and kind of getting to learn how machines work.
How long are you going to do this?
Hopefully it'll be a permanent program. We have ideas on how to expand it and kind of set up a website and start selling bicycles we fix up to members of the community and also other students. And so, hopefully we'll keep it going forever.
Do you think this would be awesome for everyone?
I would say it's awesome for anybody who doesn't mind getting dirty, doesn't mind working hard, maybe has parents that are okay with doing more laundry, because we usually get a little messy in here. But so far, so good in terms of kids enjoying themselves.
Where do you get the bikes and parts?
We work with a nonprofit bike shop in Goshen called Chain Reaction, and they give us the bikes that people donate, and we fix them up using cheap parts from them, and then they go back to them and they sell them for low cost and to get it back into the community.
What's up, GMS? This is
Christian.
Tristan Clausen.
Cameron.
and I'm going to ask him a few questions. What is the purpose of this project?
Helping the community.
Okay.
We're trying to help the community out and help them fix their bikes.
To help out with the community and build bikes so they can have more transportation without economic issues.
Okay. Do you think it is a cool class?
Yes.
Okay. Can you give me more information as that?
Like, you do like fixing bikes and stuff, so we can help out the community when because if they have a bike that we need fixed, they bring it in and we help them out with it.
Okay. Do you think it is a cool class?
Yes, it is fun, and you get to build a whole lot of bikes and have fun with the other kids in there and make great friends.
Okay. Do you think it is a cool class?
I mean, yeah, most of the time.
Okay. How many days does it take to build a whole bike?
I'd say about a week if you're working on it every day, and about 2 weeks if you're working on it like very little.
Okay, one extra question. How many bikes come in a day?
Very few. Maybe we might get like 2 bikes within a week, but not much.
Okay. How many days does it take to build a whole bike?
Usually like 3, 4, maybe 5.
Do you think that it is hard to build a bike for you?
Not really.
Okay. Do you think Mr. Weldy is hard on you?
Sometimes.
See if that'll